In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email view in Outlook. If your Outlook inbox doesn't look the way you want it to, don't worry. Outlook gives you several layout and display options, and you can adjust them in just a few clicks. Changing the email view can make your inbox feel cleaner, easier to navigate, and better suited to the way you work. Whether you want a simpler reading experience or just want to explore different layout settings, this process is quick and straightforward. To begin, open Outlook in your browser and make sure you're on the main mail screen. Once you're there, look to the upper right corner of the page and click the gear icon. This is the settings menu, and it's where Outlook keeps most of the options for customizing your experience. If you don't see it right away, take a moment to scan the top right area carefully, because it's usually always visible from the inbox. After opening settings, click on Mail. This section contains the controls related specifically to your email experience, rather than general account or appearance settings. That's important because the inbox view options are grouped under Mail, not under the broader display menu many people first expect. Next, click on Layout. This is the area where Outlook lets you control how your messages are displayed and organized. Depending on the version of Outlook you're using, you may see options related to the reading pane, message organization, conversation view, and other inbox display preferences. This is where you can start shaping the email view to match your personal workflow. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Outlook will present the available layout settings, and you can choose the ones that best fit your needs. As you make changes, pay attention to how each option affects the inbox, because even small adjustments can make a big difference in readability and efficiency. If you're unsure which setting to use, try one option at a time, so it's easier to compare the results. Take your time while reviewing the available choices. The goal is to create an inbox view that feels comfortable and practical for everyday use. Once you've selected your preferred settings, Outlook will usually apply the changes automatically or prompt you to confirm them. And that's all it takes to change the email view in Outlook. As you can see, the process is simple once you know where to look. If you found this helpful, you can use the same settings area later, anytime you want to fine-tune your inbox again.